Alright, I've never done this with another person before, so okay. Welcome back, Dirty Garage Mods. So we're going to be doing some speed testing. And I'm going to try to put this phone screen in the corner somewhere so everybody can see it. So here we go, first one. It's just going to be a gradual 0 to 60. So make sure everything's working all right. 0 to 60 in 24.43 seconds. Gradual takeoff, of course. Quarter mile, 24.442. And then the others don't matter to me. Alright, so now we're going to get past this house and do this again. Just kind of have some fun with it. 7.2 horsepower. Max was 32.5 horse at 2,624 RPMs. Alright. No cars behind me.
No, you're good.
Alright.
Traction control off.
Oh yeah, it's definitely off. Hey, you know what? We'll try it with manual mode too. 0 to 60 in 9.93 seconds. I didn't even get a quarter mile out of that one. I need to gun it harder next time. That's not bad. Quarter mile was 19 seconds at 58.4 mile an hour. We could do better than that. This is actually kind of fun. I like this app.
I'll have to download it.
It's $5 for that Torque app.
Very bad.
But you have go. 0 to 60 in 9.942. Quarter mile 17.68 at 81.4 miles an hour. That's pretty good. And I surged my system again because I can smell antifreeze cooking.
Yep, I smell it.
Alright, so we got a car coming. After this car clears, we'll switch it to manual mode and do it that way. Or whatever you want manual shift, slap shift. So, whew, goodness, that stinks. That's why I run the heater. Alright, come on, reset. Look at it, it's fogging up my windows. Alright, here we go. 0-60 and quarter mile in slap shift mode. In 11 seconds at a quarter mile in 18.979. And I think we might be overheating. Yeah, we're not overheating. Yeah, I gotta run the heater a little bit. Well, that was fun. That went a lot quicker this time than it did last time. We covered a mile or 2 miles, and I gotta stop it and let it set. This was 9.9 seconds for 0-60, and my best time for a quarter mile was 17.7 seconds at 81.4 miles an hour, and my 8th time was 11.5 seconds at 63.4 miles per hour. And my maximum horsepower was 74.1 horses at 5,388 RPMs. This car is a 200 horse car from the factory. I don't think she has 200 horses anymore. I don't know what's up with that. But it's
Losing horsepower somewhere.
Yeah, losing it somewhere.
It's that oil leak. It's dripping excess horsepower.
Alright, so if you like what you've seen, click that subscribe button. Check out my buddy's channel. Scott is, say the channel. Goonski. I will link it in the description below. Help him hit 100 subscribers. He does some how-to automotive stuff and motorcycle stuff and whatnot like that. So you guys will get a kick out of that stuff, I'm sure. Check me out on Instagram, Dirty Garage Mods on Instagram. Link will be down below. Check out my Facebook page, same thing, Dirty Garage Mods. And your Instagram?
I don't have one for the page.
Oh, he don't have one for the page, so well, screw him then. So, but anyways, yeah. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you guys in the next one.